Sea surface temperatures in the Chukchi Sea along the coast of Alaska have increased significantly since records were first available in 1982, a statistically significant 95% confidence trend of 0.9 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit per decade. This region is particularly vulnerable to increasing sea surface temperatures due to the melting of sea ice in the polar regions. Since carbon emissions are at an all-time high and continue to rise, ice continues to melt, resulting in a rapid warming process. In terms of environmental change, as previously noted, sea surface temperatures are rising at approximately 0.9 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit per decade in this area, which implies grave consequences. Studies show that this temperature rise will increase the frequency of atmospheric blocking, causing more persistent and extreme weather in mid-latitudes. Additionally, studies show that warm, moist air intrusions from mid-latitudes result in increased downwelling long-wave radiation, warming the Arctic surface and hindering wintertime sea ice growth. The impacts on communities are already quite apparent and will continue to increase as carbon emissions continue. Some Alaskan villages have already lost critical infrastructure and services are becoming unlivable because of permafrost thaw, storm damage, and coastal erosion due to the climate change in the Arctic regions. For example, there is a moratorium, otherwise known as a ban, on fishing altogether in the U.S. portions of the Chukchi Sea because of severe shortages in fish. There are currently solutions specifically targeted for the Chukchi Sea. However, lowering carbon emissions, utilizing alternative resources, and preserving what life we have left is the most viable solution that can be attained when the whole world cooperates.